Hi everyone, welcome back to
our channel.
Okay, so today we are at, what's the name?
Viewpoint. I forgot Tanay Windmill Viewpoint.
But the name on map is Feliciano Family Farm.
Family Farm.
So the name on the map is Feliciano Family Farm Viewpoint Cafe, right? So if you want to come here, then you should search this name, okay? And our opening is a little bit late, right? Because we forgot to make the opening. So we do it now after we set up most of our things. And today we bring some new things, new stuffs from Taiwan because we went back Taiwan last month.
Yeah.
Right? We saw a lot of products which are not selling in Philippines, right? So we go to two shops, and as you can see in the video, that the first thing we brought is the storage box, right? Okay, which is very affordable but good looking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and also what? Just some little stuff, but we will show you in the videos, okay? And also because now we film more, right? And we found that we sometimes it's lack of brightness, so we also buy this one, right?
Yeah, new light. And adjust the can adjust the brightness, right? Oh, and
there are
the mode.
Three modes.
There's the white.
It's a cold, and
cold, warm.
This is off.
Yeah. And warm.
Okay.
It's been a long time that we haven't come, right?
It's not quite long, just almost 2 months.
2 months we didn't.
Almost 2 months.
Because we are
quite busy recently. Okay, but anyway, we will enjoy the trip this weekend. Okay. This is our new toy, but today we are not going to a barbecue, so we will remove the top of these two components. Okay, just show everyone to see how it looks like. And it's quite easy to assemble, very fast. Because this is my first time, I think one person can complete it in just few seconds.
Yeah, it's very simple, right?
Yeah, but just a little bit heavy.
You think how many kilo?
15 kilo, I think.
can put Today our dinner is just a pork, right?
No, this is beef and the marinized pork.
And our food today is just comes from our refrigerator.
Yeah. Just a few minutes ago, there's an accident, right?
Yeah.
Then I was got attacked by bee. Actually, not really attacked. I think because of the light. The spotlight here, and everyone knows that the light attracts insects. Yeah, so they just come here to visit us. Happens on you. The bee was going to your ear.
Yeah.
Wow. It's quite dangerous.
We almost give up on this topic.
Actually, the campsite is good now. You see? You're right. So? What's up? Good morning, everyone. We had took all our breakfast, but we moved from our tent to here because the sunrise from the because our tent face south side, so there's no tree on our south side of our tent, so
That's why it's very hot.
yeah, it's kind of hot. So we try to move to here. Okay, what's that? Rock ground. So we try to enjoy our breakfast on rock ground.
Yeah, try the different ambience.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's good here, a little bit windy here.
Oh, and we have a new
New
table.
table, yeah.
So it
So
will
it's very useful and it's not hard to bring it to anywhere. Are you not disappointed yesterday?
because there was a problem yesterday. Too many ants under our table. So
Yeah, we got attacked by
we
ants.
are suffering from ants attacking. And there's also a bee.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say that. A lot of bee.
And the bonfire.
Yeah, we didn't successfully fire up the bonfire because the wooden we got from the campsite, it's wet, right? The wooden is not dry, so it's hard to fire up the bonfire. But I think it's okay. This is our first time, and we just learn from experience. So maybe next time we gonna prepare the wood by ourselves.
Yeah.
So this campsite, Feliciano Viewpoint, or you can search Feliciano Family Farm on Google Map.
Yeah, and their FB page is Tanay Windmill Viewpoint.
So for Orobo, of course there are some pros and cons. Like the environment here is quite good for camping. The land is large. You can also drive your car in the campsite and just park next to your tent.
Yeah, can do a car camp.
And the campsite also provides some basic facilities, CR shower rooms, and dishwasher areas. Okay. And there are a lot of trees in the campsite,
Yeah,
so don't need to worry about like sunlight.
Yeah, and the wind is very fresh.
As long as you pick a good spot.
Good spot. Yeah, especially there's a good view here. Like the view is really a Tanay windmill, the electric wind, right? Yeah, if you get that spot is also good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just along the entrance, there's a road near the entrance, and you set up your tent there, then you can have a view of what's that?
Tanay windmill.
Tanay windmill, the power plant. Power plant, right?
Yeah. If you choose this kind of spot, like maybe in the evening, there's no light here, so it's better to prepare your own light, right?
Or you should choose some place with the light provided by the campsite.
Yeah.
Or at the middle, there's a bonfire, and they set up a lot of light bulb surrounding the bonfire. Yeah. So overall, it's still quite good experience to have camping here in Feliciano Viewpoint.
It's a recommended campsite.
It's gonna rain soon, so
Yeah, it's getting rain.
we'll start packing. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.